Don't you know the rules of the road? That could be a serious mistake. Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Welcome to our channel where we help drivers of all experience levels navigate the road safely and confidently. Our goal is to ensure you drive without accidents or fines. Today we will focus on an essential driving skill, correctly crossing intersections. This task may seem simple, but it requires attention to detail and a clear understanding of right-of-way rules. Let's get started. Imagine four cars arriving at an intersection simultaneously. Each driver must decide when to proceed based on traffic rules. Your task is to determine the correct order in which the cars should move. Here are the possible answers. 1. Yellow, green, blue, then red. 2. Red, green, yellow, then blue. 3. Red, yellow, green, then blue. I find it difficult to answer. Pause the video now and write your answer in the comments. I'll give you 10 seconds. Let's analyze the solution. At a four-way stop, all vehicles must stop completely. Right-of-way rules dictate who moves first. If multiple vehicles arrive simultaneously, the following guidelines apply. Rule 1. Drivers on the left must yield to drivers on the right. Rule 2. Vehicles turning left must yield to oncoming traffic. Now let's determine the correct order. The red car moves first since it has no obstructions. The yellow car is turning left and must yield to the green car going straight, so the green car moves next. Once the green car has passed, the yellow car completes its turn. Finally, the blue car is the last to proceed. The correct answer is option 2, red, green, yellow, then blue. Congratulations if you got it right. Understanding these rules prevents accidents and ensures safer driving. I'm your driving instructor. If you want to improve your driving skills and avoid fines, subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and drive responsibly.